What if I told you the secret to making a healthier salad isn't just adding more veggies, but it's all about combining the right foods? It is the combination of foods can affect how the body utilizes the nutrients. This salad is a perfect recipe if you're looking for something light, fresh, and delicious without spending a lot of time on preparations. So let's get to making this easy, colorful, and nutritious salad. All you need are simple and few ingredients. This quick salad works beautifully as a light snack, a side dish, or even as a part of a healthy meal. It's up to you how you're going to serve it and enjoy. For this salad, the main ingredient is the fresh green grapes. Here I have taken the seedless grapes. Always wash them well and then simply cut them into halves. Fresh grapes are loaded with antioxidants and vitamins like C and K. The whole grapes comes with a lot of fiber and fluids, which makes it more beneficial than drinking grapes juice. So whenever possible, make it a habit to choose the whole grapes instead of the fruit juice. Either serve it as a regular snack or a post-workout meal, or simply as a side dish. This salad is a great recipe to try. You can check out our channel for more salad recipes that are unique, refreshing, and healthy. And there's a playlist of salad recipes pinned in the description box for you. For this salad, our second ingredient is the cherry tomatoes. As they are in season, I love to use them, but you can simply go with the regular ones too. Tomatoes are a great choice for diets focused on heart health, weight management, and overall development of immunity. They are excellent sources of a powerful antioxidant called lycopene. They are also rich sources of vitamins like A and C, and also good sources of potassium. This salad is sweet, juicy, crunchy, refreshing, and actually packed with a lot of nutrients. Cut them into half and then add each of them into a bowl. In this salad, I also love to add some chopped white onion. Onions are rich in fiber and vitamin C. And apart from adding flavor, they also contain prebiotic compounds that are gut friendly. Now, do keep watching if you're interested to know a little more about who should not be eating these kinds of foods. Since we're not using any other spices or flavoring agents, I'm adding some finely chopped green chilies. Another most important ingredient for this recipe is the Greek yogurt. Adding Greek yogurt makes the salad more nutritionally complete as it also provides with good amounts of protein and calcium. Lastly, let's season with some salt of your choice. We always don't need expensive foods and complicated ingredients to make any food relishing, but rather a ball of simple ingredients combined thoughtfully can make a great start. Now, when everything is loaded in the bowl, gently toast them together. Honestly, almost everyone can enjoy it, but it relies on how much and what other foods are you gonna serve along with these. If you're counting on calories or managing diabetes, then control on the portion size is very important. And balancing the plate with more of whole grains and protein sources is a must. If you loved being with us, then do like this video and share this recipe with someone who loves to eat fresh and simple meals. Eat smart, eat colorful, and feel good. Also, do let us know in the comments below if you're gonna try this grapes and tomato salad sooner. Thank you for being with us and would love to see you soon in our next video.